This guy kind of looks like Hiccup. Not the teenager, the older version. The leader. The quiet one at the end of the story. Just shaved. You see him in one video giving travel tips that actually work. Then in another, he's explaining molecular biology like it's basic math. Same voice, same face. Turns out, it's the same guy. Two different channels, one's for smart travel, the other's for science that actually makes sense. No viral fame yet, but yeah. This might be the YouTube version of mature Hiccup, and he's just getting started.